Hi guys, I'm just coming on real quick just to show you how I'm changing the color of my flowers. I bought these flowers on Aliexpress and it's not exactly the color that I wanted, so I'm going to use this fuchsia acrylic paint, and I have about 2 tablespoons of warm water, and I'm gonna mix it together with the paint. The paint is it's less than a tablespoon. It's the end of my paint because I was painting a lot today, so I just decided to record a quick clip for you. So I'm just pulling the petals off and I'm going to submerge it into the mixture, and I'm going to leave it to soak for about 5 minutes. As I said, it's warm water, so it's going to soak real fast. Here's last week's tutorial. If you didn't see this one as yet, it was very quick and easy, and it cost me about $3 to make that stand. And these are 2 different prices. This one, you can see it looks much more luxurious. You can see it's Real Touch, and that one was, I think it was $1.98, I think. And the one that I'm changing the color is 75 cents. So this is how it looks after 5 minutes. And I'm just shaking off the excess, and then I'm going to turn them down to dry. The yellow is still there. The yellow is not going anywhere. It's still there. But it should be fine with a little bit of yellow. And I'm just going to spray paint this one so you can see how it looks. And there it is. It's not dry as yet, but there it is after I spray painted it. Now here they are dry, and this is the one with the warm water. I left it to soak for 5 minutes, and I did the same thing with this one, but this one was room temperature water. So that's the difference if you use warm water. This one is the spray paint. I don't know about this one. Let me know in the comments below which one you would prefer. If you would buy that one for $1.98 or the one for 75 cents and give it your own color. Thanks for watching.